Hello and welcome for tuning into another one of my videos. My name is Yadrissa and today I will be showing you how I got this royal blue glitter cut crease eye look. So today I'm going to be starting off with highlighting. I'm going to be highlighting my face because I already applied my foundation before I started the video, and I did my eyebrows off camera as well because I wanted the main focus to be on this eye look and the lips. So that's why I skipped myself recording me applying my foundation. I just went straight into doing my highlight. So for my foundation, I did use the Maybelline Fit Me. I applied that all over my face. I applied 2 layers of my Maybelline foundation because that foundation is buildable. So I kind of wanted a slight, like a medium coverage, so I didn't go in too heavy with that foundation. And now I'm just doing my contour. I'm contouring with my LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Fawn, and I'm just highlighting my face, my forehead, under my eyes, my chin area, and a little bit around my mouth. I am going to be using my beauty blender to blend in my highlight. And for this look, I did wet my beauty blender, and I also went in and added my contour to my face. So the only thing that you're going to do is see me blending this in right now. I also used my LA Girl Pro concealer to add my contour onto my face, and I'm just taking this brush and I'm blending in my contour. I did want my nose to be a little bit snatched for this video, so that's why I contoured my nose. I'm just blending this all the way down, all the way in, so it can really make my nose look really snatched. And I just wanted this to be like a really nice makeup look. And you don't have to use any type of special brush to blend out your contour, but for this side right here, I am using a Real Technique contour brush for the cheek area because that brush is too big for me to use for my nose area. So I did also contour around my forehead. I'm not sure if I included that in the clip. I am going to be setting my face after I finish blending my highlight and contour. And I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me setting powder to set my face. Just blend it out all around. And now I'm going to be going into my eyeshadow look, and I'm going to be starting off with my LA Girl Pro concealer in the color White. Oh no, I'm sorry, this is in the color Natural. I really wanted this eye look to stand out, so I used a color that was brighter than my skin tone to maybe make this color stand out a little bit more. And after I add that on both of my eyelids, I am going to be blending that in with my beauty blender. So now I'm going to be taking my eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to be using my Morphe makeup palette for this one, and I'm going in with a dark brown shade, and as you can see, I'm just adding that color and just blending it all over my lid. Didn't want it to be too dark, so I try not to go too dark, but just so you can see the color enough, because I really wanted my cut crease to stand out and I didn't want the brown to be too prominent. Just make sure you blend the eyeshadow in very well. I did go in with a kind of close to a burgundy shade. It was a little bit lighter than the burgundy, but it reminds me of burgundy. This palette doesn't have any names for the shades, so I'm just telling you what color I used. Now I'm going with that same concealer that I used for my eyes, and I'm going to be using this brush to make my cut crease. I did zoom in on this part of the video because I wanted you guys to really see what I was doing with this eye makeup look, and I didn't want to be too far away from my camera. So just remember, when you're doing your cut crease, just take your time. Unless you're a professional. I don't do this all the time with the cut crease, but when I do, I just like to take my time to get that shape. I like my shape to be nice and sharp. This look was also inspired by a YouTuber named TaylorMade Jane. I was watching her channel before and I really like her makeup looks, and this was one of the looks that she had created. So this is actually a recreation for TaylorMade Jane. So shout out to you for inspiring me to create this look today. I'm not sure if she'll ever see this video, but if you do, girl, I did give you your props. So there's your flowers. So same thing for this side, just taking my time and creating my cut crease. There's no rush when it comes to makeup. Now I am going to be setting my lids with some setting powder. And I use a setting powder that was closer to this shade that I have on my eyelids. So I'm just going to set that on my lids. After that, I'm going to go right back in with that brown shade that I used on my crease, and I'm going to be blending the edges of these cut crease. I'm not trying to blend the color up or build the color up, just trying to blend it in very well. So that's what I'm doing here. And I'm going to repeat on this side as well. Sometimes I do one eye at a time when I do my makeup, but most of the time I like to do them both at the same time. It makes it seems like it's a little bit faster for me. Just make sure you blend that so there's no harsh line there. Make sure it's blended in well. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go in with my black eyeliner, and I'm going to be creating my eyeliner wing. I got this eyeliner from the beauty supply store. It's no specific brand you have to use. I tried a different couple of eyeliners from the beauty supply store. They work pretty much the same, just the formula on some of them are a little bit better and last longer. I do like to get the waterproof one sometimes. And when I'm doing my wing, I definitely like to take my time. Girl, I'm not trying to mess up this whole look because I want to move too fast. So this video is in real time. This is the pace that I'm actually moving, and I'm trying to just create that wing liner, make it straight as I can possibly get it. I did want this liner to be kind of thick but not too thick because I did want that glitter to pop when I did add my glitter. So I made sure that I am thickening up this line. Same with the opposite side, making my wing liner. And you know, some people know how to do their wing liner with one stroke. They go from the inner corner and wing it all the way out. I'm like, how the hell did you, how do y'all do that? Like, I ain't there yet. I can't wait to get to that level where I can just draw my eyeliner with one swoop and it's just like bam. But everything is a learning experience. I'm happy with the way my wing liner turned out. Otherwise, I'm just looking at them just to make sure they're kind of even as well, because you don't want one to be bigger than the opposite one. So I know they're not going to be identical. I'm not expecting that. But I am trying to make them just as similar as possible as far as in thickness. Now I am going in with this beautiful royal blue glitter. That color is so beautiful. And I'm just going to be using this brush. No special brush you have to use to apply your glitter, but this is what I'm using. And I'm applying my glitter onto that eyeliner wing that I created. This blue is so beautiful. I want to try this look with different colors. These are the lashes that I will be applying a little later on in the video. But for now, I'm going to be lining my lips with, I'm going to be applying my blue lipstick. And again, this lipstick is from the beauty supply store. I forgot the name of the brand, but I will list it down below. And after I apply my lipstick, I will be applying my glitter on top, just to make this look stand out and just be bold, bright, and beautiful. As you can see, I'm adding my glitter to the lip. And then after I add the glitter to my lips, I will be going in and adding my lashes, which I added my lashes off of camera. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave your comments down below. And leave your opinions down below as well. Let me know if you liked or disliked this look. I really enjoyed creating this look. I don't really use a lot of glitter in my makeup looks, but I am want to start incorporating it more into my videos. So look at that lip. That lip looked really nice. This is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in another video. Bye.